From the toilet monitors, it's also possible to report incidents. To manage these incidents, you have to log on to the dashboard, and from here you can manage the workflow of each incident. On the dashboard you can already see how many incidents are reported, the number of dispatched items, and the number of incidents there to verify. To see the detail of an incident, you can, for example, click on the Dispatched Incident button, and from here you will see an overview of all toilet units and ordered by the number of incidents to be dispatched. For example, if we want to see the incidents of SAN07, we can easily go to the incident page of that toilet unit by clicking one of the columns related to the incidents. On this toilet unit, we can see that there are 2 broken supply dispensers. To see which supply dispenser it concerns, you simply click the incident and you will see both of the incidents and their location on the blueprint. It concerns both supply dispensers of the ladies' room. From here, each incident status can be changed to either fixed or cancelled.